It's a sunny day, so let's make a cute sun visor to help keep the sunshine away, using simple materials from a budget shop. First, grab a bright yellow sponge sheet. This cheerful color is perfect. Use a cutter to slice through the sheet. Ask help to a grown-up. Cut it in half, then gently round off the corners so everything looks nice and smooth. Next, cut a long strip shaped like a belt. This will wrap around your head just like a comfy headband. Now, shape the front part so it fits nicely across your forehead. It's starting to look like a bunny already. Let's add a big dot sticker. This fun piece is called a point seal, and it brings the visor to life. Time to draw. Use an oily marker so your designs stay bold and bright. Create anything you like. Grab a different colored EVA sponge sheet. This time, use scissors to carefully cut out shapes for the bunny's ears. Now, grab some double-sided tape. Stick it to the back of the ears, peel off the paper, and attach the ears to the visor. Decorate with stickers to add more personality. Make it your own with stars, hearts, or fun characters. Let's shape the front of the visor by folding it back, then folding it slightly forward. This gives it a cool pop-up look. Take a small strip of double-sided tape and place it between the folds. Press it gently so it stands up just right. Next, grab some soft Velcro tape. Cut a small, about 1 centimeter. Do the same for the other side. Peel off the backing and stick each Velcro piece onto the ends of your visor's belt. Finally, fasten both sides together using the Velcro. That's it, your sun visor is complete. Thanks for crafting with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more fun DIY projects.